3 rounds lang ito, guys. Ayan. Welcome, 2,000 people right here. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ayan, enjoy lang po kayo. And pwede rin po kayo mag-request. Let's go. Here's Come On Me. When she looks at me, I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes in faith is something I've never known before. Boss next, thank you. Come what may, she loves me, and I love making me love myself a little more. Boss Dex is here! Salamat po, magandang gabi, boss! Kamusta po? When I turn away, she knows those are the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hours of uncertainty, Sir B, good evening, she just simply lets me be and goes right on loving me. Come what may, she believes in my faith is something I've never known before. Times 2. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. Boss Henry, thank you. Kakoy, Ate D.A. Let's go, times 2, everybody. Salamat po. And when it seems my dreams have all slipped through my fingers, when they just can't be found, I turn around and there they are, shining in her eyes. Come what may, she believes in my faith is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. Ooh, yeah. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open a door, making me love myself, yeah, a little more. Hala, hindi po. Hindi po ako. Guys, wait. Guys, hindi kami. Ano lang to? Practice speaking lang ka.
Yung official upunan ni ate.
Magkasama kayo mag-mag-stop.
Hindi siya mamaya.
Mamaya pa guys, may 15 minutes pa tayo.
Ate Alisa, sorry. Na ano na sila. Sana ilang to mga viewers ko na na palaban sila po. Sorry, nakuha namin yung nuggets.
Hindi, ano ba yung nuggets? Hindi ko naiintindihan yun.
Nakalagay po na number. Ayan, guys. Guys, ang aking official PK po sa
Ay,
katapos.
okay lang yun. Kasi ano lang naman kami kanina, para mga practice PK lang yun. Wala namang epekto daw. Okay lang
Sorry
yun,
po.
guys.
Sorry po ulit.
It's
Ayan,
okay.
mga-
No, it's okay, Raisi. Okay lang yan.
Sorry.
Super. Okay lang yan.
Oh,
Hindi, ano lang to, guys. Friendly PK lang. Pero okay lang yun. Okay lang. Kahit na wala. Okay lang po. Kala ko naman, kinabahan ako, guys. Kala ko na wala yung mga booster. Sorry, Raisi. Ano lang ako, medyo bago lang kasi ako dito. So, ang dami ko pang hindi naintindihan.
sorry daw po sabi
in.
ni Kumuha. Sorry daw po. Sorry.
Oo nga. Mga ano pa lang ako dito. 2 months pa lang, guys. So, newbie. For the newbie tayo dito.
Sa lahat po.
Ayan, pero
mga PK
unti-unti,
po ni Ate Alisa,
naiintindihan na natin. Naiintindihan
10
na natin
PM.
lahat.
Ayan, sige. Support po tayo. Kapag may mga free time po kayo guys, 10 PM.
Yes, please. Thank
Pakinggan
you.
muna natin.
Ikaw naman, Raisi, mag-request. Baka may request ka dyan.
Baka may
Sana
request
alam
po
ko.
kayo kay Ate Alisa, Team Ricey. And
Oo, guys.
DJ, baka may request
Kahit
kayo.
ano. Okay lang po. It's okay.
Again, like
Guys, okay lang, promise. Alam niyo pa kanina yung ka-PK ko lang, yung team ko lang rin. So, okay lang yun.
Ate, pwede daw po Ate Alisa, listen.
Huy, grabe.
Parang kilala ko po ata nilang biritera talaga, ate. Oo,
Parang hindi natin deserve to, guys. Bakit may grand finals dito?
Or mga araw-gabi po, gano'n. O kahit ano po.
Dapat pala hindi na ako nagtanong.
Hindi po kasi ko binabirit sa live ko. Hindi po ako biretera. Sakto lang
Bakit
po.
ako nagtanong? Nagsisisi na ako ngayon sa ginawa ko, guys. Sige, araw-gabi na kalmado version, pwede ba?
Araw-gabi.
Wait, gosh. Ay, hindi, mataas pa rin to eh. Walang kalmado version nito.
Jealous daw po, sabi ni Ma'am Bibina. Yan, jealous.
Jealous na yung kay Nina ba?
Ma'am, ayun, baka kay Nina po, for sure.
Kasi naalala ko dati, parang kinanta ko yung jealous, tas confident pa ako talaga yung kay Nina, tas ibang jealous pala yung nire-request niya. Yung kay sino to yung lalaki?
Hindi.
Labyrinth ba yun?
Labyrinth. Sige.
Oo. Pero anyway.
Nina daw po, Nina.
Nina. Sige. Yan na lang guys.
Sorry po.
Yan. Thank you. Kalmado lang. Okay, jealous. Gulat ako sa listen, guys. Ha? Kayo, ha? Sino nag-request nun? Hindi din to kalma. Okay lang.